In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off Click Lock on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result, you're going back with Control Panel. Go ahead and select that. Sort by large icons up at the top right. So select the large icons. And then select Mouse. Select the Buttons tab at the top. And then underneath Click Lock, you can turn on or off Click Lock by check marking that option, and then select Apply and OK to save, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.